Hi guys, some of you still seem to be having a hard time joining Vickie's crew on Microsoft Teams, and for that reason I'm actually updating our tutorial that I've sent you before and kind of added a couple more slides maybe to help you out. We have learned that WebEx, we will not be renewing our contract for the fall semester, so we will not have that available to meet with each other. You will have to join the Microsoft Teams where we'll be using either Zoom or the actual team itself. So it's extremely important that you guys get this done now. I will not be able to walk you through later on. To make this much easier, instead of having you guys click on links and what have you, the easiest thing to do is to just search for Microsoft Teams in your browser, and you should get a page that looks like this. On that page, you want to click on Sign Up for Free. That should bring you to this page. You need to make sure that you're using your CUNY first login. If it doesn't bring you to this page, there is going to be a couple slides ahead that might help you out. It may automatically sign you in using your Office 365 account, but if you see this page, you need to make sure that it's your first name dot last name, the last two digits of your MPL ID at login.cuny.edu. It's very important to remember that you're using your CUNY first login and not your QCC email address or your Office 365 email address, because you will not be able to access the page that you need to, which is Vickie's crew. And so just because this has been the biggest issue students have had, please note that you're going to make sure you're entering your account that ends with at login.cuny.edu. If you take a look at this slide, you can see that I've entered my login information for my CUNY first account. So in helping some of you guys get onto your teams, I found out that for some of you, you might not get that last screen that I showed you first. You might actually get automatically signed in using your at student.cuny.edu account, which is not where you should be. If you are one of those students on this page where it says ASAP staff, AD advisor, Vickie's crew, you're actually going to see only QCCIT. If you see QCCIT in the very first box, that means you're in the wrong login. What you will need to do is go up to, as you can see in mine, it says VO, your initials, and click on that to log out. When you click on that, you're going to log out, and it's going to bring you then to the screen I just showed you. It will ask if you want to sign in with a different account. You're going to click yes, so that you can sign in with a different account or add an account, I think it says, or something like that. That is when you're going to put in your QCC login information, and then the rest of the steps will follow. This is where the confusion lies. You need to use your CUNY first login. So it should be your first name dot last name, two numbers, at login.cuny.edu. It should then bring you to this page where you're going to enter your CUNY first login or your CUNY login and your CUNY first or CUNY password. So again, it should be your first name dot last name, two digits, at login.cuny.edu. You're going to use the same exact password that you use to log into DegreeWorks, Blackboard, or your CUNY first account. Then click Login. From there, you may or may not receive this message of asking if you want to stay signed in. It's up to you whether you click yes or no. That's completely optional, but I wanted to just show you that slide was possible. And then from there, you're going to see it pop up. Microsoft Teams will open up for you. So as you can see, I'm actually on a couple of teams. One's ASAP staff and then ADs and advisors. And the last one, it says Vickie's crew. This is the one that you guys should all be opening up to or having the option. And you just click on that and it'll bring you right to the page. And I've already added a bunch of stuff to help you guys out. And for those who don't see Vickie's crew automatically, you'll see up in the top that says join or create team. you actually can click on that, and it might come up somewhere else on your screen that you can join or create a team. You'll click on that, and then you'll see something that says enter a team code, and you will enter the code TE9ECK4. I sent you the link, but I may have to accept you onto the team, and I will try to do that as quickly as I can. Once you're accepted onto the team and you enter your Microsoft Teams for our crew, you'll be able to see this page. On this page, you will be able to have conversations with me or with other students. I'll also post the information on here as I get it. And then there's some other things I want you to check out. So if you click on that files on any channel that's on here, and you can see on the side that it has general books, class tips, etc. When you click on that files, it actually will bring you to any file that I upload or anybody is able to upload on here. So just as an example, on that general page that I had, if you clicked files, you'll see this. So I've already put on here how to access meetings with me, scanner options, workshops that are currently available online, tutoring information. This is all stuff I've emailed, but I think it makes it much easier for you guys to have one place just to access everything. And then the last thing I just want to show you quickly is the channel. So I kind of brought that up a couple of slides ago when I was talking about files. So if you click on any of these different ones, so you have the general, which is just the main page, then we have books, class tips, notes and information, registration information, study groups, study sites, and apps. I've already uploaded some things on there, but this also leaves the option for us to have chats about those specific things on those pages. So it's open for students to chat with each other. So say you're looking for some people to have a study group with for a specific class, you can go click right on that study groups channel and start a conversation. I think it's going to be so helpful for everybody, and this is why I really want to start doing this moving forward. And I look forward to seeing you guys on our team.